Which function family does the graph function belong to? So looking at this function graph, it looks like as the x values go negative, the function values are approaching 0. And so you could say that 0 looks like it might be what's called the asymptote, or the value that the function approaches. And then as the x values increase, the y values decrease at an increasing rate. In other words, the graph gets steeper in a negative way. Okay, now, it really reminds me of an exponential growth function or an exponential function, but it's increasing down instead of up. So maybe there's a transformation applied to it. Well, just to confirm, I'm going to graph an exponential function and compare. Okay, so I'm going to go to y equals, and I'll clear out the function that's in there. Now an example of an exponential function would be 2 to the x power. So I'll put 2, the exponent, and the variable x is in the exponent. That's what makes it exponential. And then I'll go ahead and graph that. Okay, and then you can see how the values approach the x-axis, or y equals 0, when x goes negative. And then as x increases, the y values increase at an increasing rate. The graph gets very, very steep. Well, this looks a lot like the graph we were looking at, except maybe there was a reflection on the x-axis, or a vertical reflection. Okay, so I'm going to say that this is an exponential function.